Hi. I am JORC. I am here to tell you how to service your KAPTIV-MD. First, you isolate the drain from the pressurized air system. Press and hold the test to completely empty the drain's reservoir, making sure the drain is safe and depressurized. Unscrew the connector screw to remove the power supply. Use a 5 mm Allen key to unscrew the bolts. The drain can now be removed to be serviced. Unscrew the module screw to remove the electronics module. Keep it dry and away from any moisture. Unscrew the top nut and remove the coil. Keep the coil dry and away from any moisture. Unscrew the valve shaft to take out the valve parts. Take out the mesh strainer. Remove the housing gasket. Clean the housing thoroughly and make sure all debris is removed. Clean the mesh strainer and rinse it through in clean water. Replace the strainer in the reservoir. Make sure to push it all the way down. Clean and lubricate the housing gasket and make sure it is placed properly to ensure IP65 protection. Replace the valve parts and tighten the valve shaft, using a 13 mm wrench. Slide the coil back into its position and screw the top nut back on top of the coil, hand tight. Put back the electronics module, ensuring the gasket is secured between the coil and the module. Make sure not to damage the sensor when sliding the sensor pin into the housing. Use a 5 mm Allen key to tighten the bolts. Reconnect the power supply, ensuring the gasket is in position between the DIN connector and electronics module. Tighten the screws to secure the IP65 moisture protection. Open the ball valve to release condensate back into the drain. The KAPTIV-MD is now ready to perform again.